If you're running living soil in an EarthBox and you don't re-amend in between runs, your next plant's gonna be hungry and underperform.
Yeah. TAC rich, yeah, we grow, we smoke it. Kansas City roots got the whole world token. Better buzz, better life. Yeah, that's the slogan. Tune in, stay lit. Exclusive, unbroken.
Today I'm resetting my EarthBox the right way, so it's ready to crush the next run. This EarthBox was filled with BuildASoil 3.0 fresh out the bag, and it's only been through one plant, so the soil is still alive, but some nutrients have been used up. Living soil doesn't die after one run. Re-amending is just refilling the buffet so the next plant isn't starting out empty. So here's what I'm adding back in. I'm gonna put in a half cup of craft blend, a quarter cup of kashi blend, a quarter cup of gnarly barley, and a quarter cup of biochar. First thing I'm adding is a half cup of craft blend. This is my main nutrient recharge. Craft blend brings back nitrogen for growth, phosphorus for roots and flowers, and potassium for overall plant health, plus some trace minerals. If you skip it, the plant might start fine, then fade or stall later in the run. Next up is a quarter cup of gnarly barley. This doesn't really feed the plant directly, it feeds the microbes. It helps speed the nutrient breakdown so everything becomes plant available faster. Then I'm adding a quarter cup of kashi blend. This adds beneficial fungi and biology that help stabilize the soil food web, and it keeps nutrients from locking out over time. And last, a quarter cup of biochar. Biochar acts like housing for microbes. It holds nutrients, improves soil structure, and gives beneficial bacteria and fungi a place to live. I'm only mixing the amendments into the top couple inches of the soil. I'm not trying to flip the whole box. I want the deeper biology to stay untouched. This refreshes the active root zone without disturbing the ecosystem underneath. After I get all the amendments mixed in, I'm gonna top it all off with about a quarter inch of compost. Putting down the compost adds fresh organic matter. It introduces microbes, helps hold moisture, and buffers out nutrients so nothing spikes. This is the finishing layer that ties the whole system together. To water this in, I'm just using a rechargeable water wand, and I'm gonna take the spray nozzle off the top. So I don't know where I heard this, but I heard it more than once, that a spray nozzle, especially ones that break the water into a fine mist, can stress or even kill the microbes. Instead of blasting my soil, I just let the water flow gently right out of the wand. This keeps the compost layer intact, and it doesn't wash my amendments away, and it's a little easier on the biology. I'm watering all this in with Rootwise Microbe Complete. So I just added some nutrients, some microbe food, compost, and biochar. Now I need living microbes to activate everything. This is a light top watering only. I'm not gonna fill the reservoir yet. I just need enough moisture to kind of wake everything up. This EarthBox has only been through one run, so I'm not going crazy with the amendments. Living soil is more about stacking small advantages, not overdoing it. If this helped you, hit that like button for me. And if you're new here, subscribe. I'm TAC Rich. I'll see y'all next time. Smoke good, do better. Peace.
Yeah. TAC rich, yeah, we grow, we smoke it. Kansas City roots got the whole world token. Better buzz, better life. Yeah, that's the slogan. Tune in, stay lit. Exclusive, unbroken.